As 2025 unfolds, the South African business landscape continues to evolve with emerging technologies, changing customer preferences, and economic shifts. Whether you own a startup, a small business, or an established enterprise, attracting customers remains a cornerstone of success. To stand out in a competitive market, you need innovative strategies tailored to South Africa's unique socio-economic and cultural context. This article provides actionable insights to help you attract and retain customers effectively in 2025. 1. Leverage digital marketing in 2025. Digital marketing remains a powerful tool for reaching potential customers. South Africa's internet penetration has grown significantly, with more people relying on digital platforms for shopping, information, and entertainment. Here's how to use digital marketing effectively. Social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok are popular among South Africans. Create engaging, relatable content that resonates with your target audience. Use paid advertising features to target specific demographics based on location, interests, and behaviors. Email marketing. Build a subscriber list by offering valuable content, discounts, or free resources. Send personalized emails to keep your audience informed about your products and services. Influencer partnerships. Collaborate with local influencers who align with your brand. Influencers can amplify your reach and build trust with their followers. 2. Focus on local SEO. Local SEO is essential for businesses targeting specific areas in South Africa. Ensure your business appears in local search results by claiming and optimizing your Google My Business profile. Encouraging satisfied customers to leave reviews. Adding local keywords to your website content. Participating in local events and sponsorships to boost your visibility. 3. Embrace e-commerce and mobile commerce. With the rise of online shopping, integrating e-commerce capabilities into your business is a must. Mobile commerce, m-commerce, is particularly relevant, as many South Africans access the internet primarily through smartphones. 4. Offer exceptional customer service in a competitive market. Excellent customer service can set you apart. Prioritize personalization. Use customer data to tailor experiences, such as personalized product recommendations or birthday discounts. Responsiveness. Address customer inquiries and complaints promptly on all platforms, including social media, email, and phone. After-sales support. Follow up with customers post-purchase to ensure satisfaction and encourage repeat business. 5. Use data analytics. Data analytics can provide valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences. Use tools like Google Analytics, CRM software, and social media insights to identify your most profitable customer segments. Track the performance of your marketing campaigns. Adjust your strategies based on real-time data. 6. Harness the power of word-of-mouth marketing. South Africans value recommendations from friends and family. Encourage word-of-mouth marketing by providing exceptional products and services, offering referral discounts or incentives, creating shareable social media content. 7. Adapt to sustainability trends. Many South African consumers are becoming environmentally conscious. Demonstrate your commitment to sustainability by using eco-friendly packaging, supporting local suppliers, implementing green practices in your operations, highlighting these efforts in your marketing campaigns. 8. Collaborate with other businesses. Forming partnerships with complementary businesses can help you tap into new customer bases. For example, a cleaning service could collaborate with a real estate agency to offer discounted cleaning for new homeowners. 9. Engage with your community. South Africans appreciate businesses that actively contribute to their communities. Build goodwill and loyalty by supporting local charities and events, hosting workshops or seminars, engaging with customers through community forums or social media. 10. Monitor market trends. Stay ahead of the competition by keeping an eye on market trends. Join industry groups, attend trade shows, and subscribe to relevant publications to stay informed about innovations and shifts in customer preferences. Attracting customers in South Africa's dynamic 2025 market requires a mix of traditional and digital strategies, community engagement, and a keen understanding of local nuances. By leveraging these tips, you can position your business for growth and establish lasting relationships with your customers. Remember, consistency, innovation, and authenticity are key to standing out in a competitive landscape. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your business thrive in 2025 and beyond. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Stay tuned.